twice the product of the first and the second term. Good day, learners. Today, I'm going to discuss the product of the square of trinomial. So let A be the first term of the trinomial, B be the second term, and C be the last term. To get the product of this square of trinomial, we first get the square of the first term, which is represented by A squared. Next, we need to get the square of the second term, which is represented by B squared, and the square of the third term, which is represented by C squared. Next, we need to double the product of the first and the second term, which is represented by 2AB. Then, double the product of the second and the third term, which is represented by 2BC. And finally, double the product of the first and the third term, which is represented by 2AC. Now, let's take these examples. The quantity x plus y plus 2 squared. Now, to get the product of the square of trinomial, we first square the first term, which is x squared, plus square of the second term, which is y squared, plus the square of the third term, which is 2 squared, plus twice the product of the first and the second term, which is 2xy, plus twice the product of the second and the third term, which is 2y times 2, and plus twice the product of the first and the third term, which is 2x times 2. Now, simplifying this, we have x squared plus y squared plus 4 plus 2xy plus 4y plus 4x. So the product of the quantity x plus y plus 2 squared is x squared plus y squared plus 4 plus 2xy plus 4y plus 4x. So let's go to the next example. The quantity x minus 2y plus 5 raised to the second power. So to get the product of the square of trinomial, we square the first term, which is x squared, then plus the square of the second term, which is negative 2y squared, plus the square of the third term, which is 5 squared, plus twice the product of the first and second, so twice the product of the first and the second term, plus twice the product of the second term, negative 2y, and the third term, which is 5, and plus twice the product of the first and the last term. So simplifying this, we have x squared plus negative 2y squared will give us 4y squared, plus 5 squared, which is 25, plus negative 2x times negative 2y, that will give us negative 4xy. And then plus twice the product of the second and the third, which is 2 times negative 2y times 5, that will give us negative 20y, plus 2x times 5, which is 10x. So the product of the quantity x minus 2y plus 5 squared is this. Okay, x squared plus 4y squared plus 25 minus 4xy minus 20y plus 10x. Now let's go to the third Example, the quantity 2x plus 3y minus 5z squared. So here, the first term is 2x, the second term is 3y, and the third term is negative 5z. So the product is, first, we need to square the first term, that is 2x squared, plus the square of the second term, which is 3y squared, plus the square of the third term, which is negative 5z squared. And add it to the twice the product of the first and the third. That is 2 times the first term, 2x, times the second term, which is 3y, plus twice the product of the second and the third term. So that is 2 times the second term, 3y, times the third term, negative 5z, plus twice the product of the first and the third, which is 2 times 2x times negative 5z. Okay, so simplifying this, we have 2x squared is 4x squared. So plus 3y times 3y, that's 9y squared. And then plus negative 5z squared, that is 25z squared, plus 2 times 2x, which is 4x, times 3y, that is 12xy. 12xy. Oops. This is plus 12xy. So plus the product of 2 times 3y, which is 6y, times negative 5z, which is negative 30yz. So plus negative, this will become minus 30yz. And of course, plus the product of 2 times 2x and negative 5z, which is negative 20xz. Negative 20xz. So that's how we find the product of the square of trinomial. Hope you learned something. See you on my next video. Bye.